come the chat. Here come the team judgment people. Tikki, you finish cook. Yeah, me finish cook already. It's just that me put the date so me never cook while alive. I'm live.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You love me? I wipe off the stove now, then that's it. She come it pretty and nice and fluffy. Guys, I'm gonna put up this screenshot. Remember, if you tap up the live, guys, when I enter, tap up it, the so-called track. So guys, in a WhatsApp. Really? Oh, I see one more talk. I see my jar here. I don't know if you use the vacuum, you know. And so dust in here. They don't use boom of fire, you know, guys, a vacuum they use. Me never saw a broom yet. Come play with me hearts and broke it. When me a sex, me a see bright pepper light. So when that coming like, when me a touch it coming like Christmas. I was sending requests. Don't accept nobody moderator. Find one I'm good one. Mr. Find one for a man, I'm busy galley. I want to call you what you don't feel show me how to use something, but show me not get the time yet. Oh, you know something now we got no money else, I can't use it. Yeah, I can't use it. I can't use the chat. I don't go for him if you do nothing good. Okay. Clean up the comment section, Sharika. Ow! One girl just start walk up for him to do something. See if I find a Rasta band and they can come into the for her pussy stink. Can you see through the food boil up on the stove, guys? What? Want to say something? Me a come there chat. Let me finish cleaning off this door. Yes, my friend.
What's up?
What? Me show me the live on the other phone, so me have to tell if you call the phone now. What happened?
When you hear the live, all your people never get entertained.
Me I talk to you 1 minute.
Wait, you did a call me, never did that hear you.
But it didn't care like you have a man problem like me.
Eh?
Like you have a man problem like me. Come here. You know, say you me jam my back it if when me not on the backbone. Me go to the boy phone, tell me if me wrong. When me go to the boy phone, Shane. Me find so text when I text so other girl. So me now, you know, me love cry to people I vent to. So me not nobody fi cry to. Me not nobody fi vent to. So me send one of my friend, and me send two of him friend who are my friend. And when me send them me see my text her other girl. So I would have send you and say, Jesus Christ, and you look how me find at the boy phone. Me do something wrong? He want to crucify me, so me go on phone, go find him text and send people.
I think I'm going to do that.
What make? Oh, I know you're wrong.
No, they're not going to say they're wrong. If you take Jesus off a cross.
No, but me I say him know he wrong. Me say true him know he wrong. Him a go on like I say. I me wrong true me I send people in business. You know Shanine? Me I send people in personal stuff.
Jesus Christ.
And you not gonna have no trust in me.
I lie. Turn you around.
Yeah?
Turn you around completely.
Turn you Mr. Shanine the wisest boy me ever see. Turn you around and you know so me always a win man more than how me can win this a boy. Me say the boy is skiller than me. Me say Shanine the boy know him wrong for what me see in the phone no girl kind of kill me with bone. So you know me gonna have problem and say why you do that there, why you say that there, why you do that there. He just turn you around for me fast, cute or deadly like I'm wrong.
You have to find another man.
Listen to me no call about that. Yeah. No girl tell me find another man. Me call if you ask if me wrong or I'm right.
No, me not say to feel me and say you have to cheat. That's not too deep.
No, you can't do that.
You have to give me like a bonus and not too in love. Because when you have one man, you win mad. If you have two man, you know, none of them you grow too fresh.
No, you know so me can't another man for him, Shanine.
Well, mad then.
So me not just go ball to.
Eh?
Me not just go ball to.
Yeah, me listen. That is it cute.
Over so I lick the foot hot, you know, Shanine.
Why? Tikki, that you're feeling you're in Listen, Nikki just call me. So if me not see Tikki for life, I say destiny shape like a crazy name.
So who?
Nikki did I watch you.
Yeah.
Call me. So if me not see Tikki, I tell destiny say, you know, for mother by oxtail and grass in me and call my donkey.
Yes, I see what me tell him.
What the thing?
You know say you bring me.
Jesus Christ, I laugh together. You see girl where they work with me now?
No, remember say the panel like we can't talk certain thing.
Oh, every time the girl would talk, every time we talk, she had it with laugh.
So she watch me?
Yeah, man.
Shanine, me say girl, over so I kick on the foot hot right now, girl, we have to go send us over his note right now.
Don't send me.
No, come here. Chop. And then the vice what you want to listen to it and that's the way I talk, girl. You know, say the boy come to Brooklyn. Today I'm tell the boy me I call look for him Saturday, girl. You know what I mean?
What your man say?
I'm a friend. The boy I'm a friend me I go look for. Alright. Me kind of way me done long life for prosperity. Alright, baby. Oh, come here. You can't even want $3,000. Where you run, gone? Change about money, guys. You see my friend them live good? How ask about black? My friend say me have a two man. I know my friend not tell me nothing wrong, you know. Me know my friend not tell me nothing wrong. Me know my friend not tell me nothing wrong, guys. One thing for sure, two things is certain. will boom the Sharika. Boom the there. Yeah, moderate on this page, auntie. Guys, me I go talk to you. Hey, Shanina, my friend, you know. Shanina never give up on me. If everybody give up on me, I say, me nah come through, and me can't come through, and me this and me that. Shanina say, me nah say, you nah come through, you know. I Ricky name, and me know him. Me love have friend who can't tell me the truth. You see, Shanine, if me wrong, Shanina tell me say me wrong. If me right, Shanina tell me say me right. And anybody more cause I me feel like me not comfortable, me just call Shanine. And anyhow Shanine say go ahead and cuss. Me a cuss. I feel say look at that trick. Me a look at that. Cause me know say if me cuss them and Shanine say you wrong, me know say me wrong. Cause Shanine know right far wrong. Shanine say some people would not want to tell you anything and you not tell them nothing. Some people don't want to give you action. I would give them a reaction, a problem. And when they tell you anything, you know, if you say what nothing to them. When you cuss them, cuss everybody. Don't you think everybody so clean? All the cat me cuss me a cuss. All the cat in the house. May I come to chat? No, shut up. I'm going to go live on the other phone now. Oi. I have to go live on the other phone now, chat. This is when you're out for the day. And I'll be a message me I get past she. So guys, I go on the other phone and don't move. The live I just resume. The live I just resume, chat. You know, say other phone low same way. Let me look. Cause other phone like guys. Let me go live for other phone here. And it's still little, you know. Michaela!